Lesson 39. Reading lesson. Growing up poor. My name is Mike, and I was born in a very poor neighborhood in Moore. When I was little, my mother took care of my brother and me because my father left before I came to this world, and he wasn't too interested in being a part of our lives. My mother had to work two jobs that didn't pay much. She had to work very hard so that we could have food, clothes, and a place to live. She was great. We loved her and appreciate her efforts. Every day, she usually arrived home very late, and she was exhausted. Still, she always cooked nice meals for us, played with us, and made sure that we did our homework. She always insisted on how important it was to get a good education. She couldn't finish school because she got pregnant with me when she was just a teenager. I couldn't finish school, and that's why I must work so hard now, and I earn so little money, she often said.
That's what I dis xawaar yu boo leen déggee may nuyoo ci angale dama leen indi lu am solo yow mi nga xam ne da nga olof rek ngay làkk waaye da ngaa bëgg a digg angale ci wépp fee te bëggoo di dem ci ay école ak yooyu plateforme bu bees gën na maanaam man ngaa toog fi nga toog di jàng angale ba dégg angale ci sa téléphone maanaam temps kenn yàqatu ko surtout angale xam ne langue nationale la ñëpp ko war a dégg plateforme bi nag indil nañ leen langue jàng angale ci olof maanaam yow mi nga xam ne da nga cee bëgg a bokk contacter leen ci numéro téléphone boobu